Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome to MMA'S domain, where we share about cooking, vlogs and lifestyle. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and of course subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to smash that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my OGs, you are always welcome to this channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing on how to prepare and cook Bambara nuts, which is popularly known as Opa. Opa is a nutritional meal well known and prepared mostly in the eastern part of Nigeria. Stay tuned as we dive into the video. Salt and seasoning cubes, habanero pepper, palm oil, Bambara nut flour, and the nylon bag. Firstly, you have to pour your powdered Bambara nuts in a clean bowl and also add the dry ingredients in it and stir very well so that everything will come together. Then you have to add your oil, your palm oil in it. Please make sure that your hands is clean before mixing the dry ingredient and the palm oil. Keep mixing it until you get this yellow mixture. After mixing it, you add your warm water and not cold water. Then you start stirring it, this time with your spatula or your hand whisk. You will keep on stirring it until you get this texture. And please make sure that there is no trace of lump in it. Keep on stirring it even when it needed water. Add more water to it and keep stirring. Add more water to it and keep stirring. After dissolving the lumps, add your pepper and stir very well. You can also add salt if there is any necessity for that. At this point, your water should be on fire, boiling. You have to stir the mixture thoroughly and check its consistency before scooping it in the nylon, as you can see. It should be like this. Put the mixture in the boiling water to start cooking immediately. Also repeat this process to the remaining ones. Cover the pot and leave it to cook. Keep checking on it till it gets done. Yeah, our Opa is ready. Did you see how popping and stretchy it is? If you have watched to this point, thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.